In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell shares on Trading 212 in just a few simple steps. If you're new to Trading 212 or just looking for a refresher on how to streamline your stock selling process, you're in the right place. Selling shares on this platform is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and we'll walk through each step together so you can execute trades with confidence. Let's dive in by first opening the Trading 212 app on your device. As you launch the app, you'll notice a variety of icons and options at your disposal. For our purposes today, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see the pie icon. Tapping on this will guide you to the investments you currently hold, giving you a clear overview of your portfolio. Next, it's time to select the specific share you'd like to sell. In your portfolio, find the stock that you're considering offloading. Selecting the share will bring up all the relevant details, including its current market value, historical performance, and any other vital information you might need before making your decision to sell. Once you have the share selected, look for the Sell button. This straightforward action is crucial as it transitions your intention into an actionable step. Go ahead and tap on Sell, and this will lead you to a new screen where you can specify the particulars of your sale. Now that you're on the selling screen, it's time to enter the amount you wish to sell. You have the flexibility to specify either the number of shares or the monetary value equivalent, depending on what suits your financial strategy better. This step requires a bit of attention, so take a moment to ensure that the details are accurate and align with your investment goals. Finally, with everything set in place, it's time to confirm your order to complete the sale. Double-check all the information, including the number of shares or amount, to avoid any accidental errors. Once satisfied, go ahead and confirm the order. This final click executes the trade, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the sale has been successfully processed. And that's all there is to it. Selling shares on Trading 212 is designed to be efficient, allowing you to manage your portfolio with ease. Remember, each transaction is an important decision, so always review your steps carefully to ensure they align with your investment strategy. I hope you found this guide useful and feel more comfortable navigating the Trading 212 platform. Don't forget to manage your investments wisely and stay informed of market trends to make the most of your trades. Happy investing!